Former Williamson County judge is at the center of a federal lawsuit.
2 employees accused Don Higginbotham of sexual harassment and making racial remarks. KXAN's Erin Cargile sat down with the women this afternoon and is here to tell us the story. Erin.
Leslie and Robert, the County Court at Law No. 3 judge retired in June. Last week, the women were fired after taking legal action for the humiliating comments they say Higginbotham has made for the last 10 years.
It was just very humiliating. I cried a lot in the beginning, talking to friends.
Kim Lee has been Judge Don Higginbotham's court reporter since he took office in 2000, and that's when she recalls one of the first out-of-line comments.
One time it was a packed courtroom, and he stated that he said, "Kim, I just need to hang a naked picture of you to clear the courtroom faster."
Yeah.
Court Secretary Sharon McGuyer says he targeted her too.
Totally disgusted because it was a common occurrence.
For fear of losing their jobs and benefits, they continued putting up with it. In October of last year, they say his words turned more hostile.
He said, "I need you to come to the bathroom with me and help me hold it up. It's too heavy. I've got a bad back."
And even racist.
Said, "I hate to tell you this, but in those pants you have the S of a racial slur."
Last December, Sharon had enough.
I just told her, I said, "I can't handle this anymore. I'm going to HR. You can either go with or without me, but I'm going."
They were promised the complaints would be anonymous, but Kim and Sharon say one day the judge's lawyer showed up to their office and started telling their co-workers about the complaints they made. The two say the county attorney promised to handle it, but the offensive comments kept coming. The judge called them into his office at one point to apologize and blamed it on medication and the death of family and friends. Then, in June, Higginbotham retired to take care of an ill family member. The incoming judge, Doug Arnold, told Kim and Sharon they would keep their jobs, but last Thursday, Dan Gaddis Sr. fired them.
He said that we needed to be gone by 5 o'clock. Start packing your things up. You don't need to tie up loose ends. Just be out of here by 5 o'clock.
Something they had been trying to avoid all along.
You expect that in a building that's dispensing justice, that justice would be dispensed, and it just didn't happen with us. So it's kind of hard to believe it.
And commissioners voted to have County Judge Dan Gaddis Sr. supervise the court until Arnold takes over at the beginning of the year. We were turned down for comment today by Gaddis, Higginbotham's attorney, and the county attorney. Live in the studio, Erin Cargile, KXAN Austin News.